Hi everyone, I am really happy to share my experience with Evision Technoserve. My name is Deepak Kumar Patel and I am from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Ashoka Institute of Technology and Management. I was selected by Team Computers with a package of 2.5 LPA, and I owe a very huge part of this success to Evision. Before joining Evision, I was struggling to get placed, but the training, mentorship, and real time project experience I got here and Evision truly prepared me for that IT industry. Evision helped me with technical skills, interview preparation, resume building, and mock interviews also. The placement team was extremely supportive and regularly shared job opportunities. Their constant follow-ups and guidance helped me land a job in a reputed company. So if someone is struggling to enter in the IT industry, I highly recommend to Vision Technoserve. Just trust the process and stay consistent, and you will be definitely get result. Thank you so much to the entire Vision team for helping me to start my career journey. Thank you.